Hi, welcome to part 1 of the Splink integration. Firstly, we need to set up a pre-tenancy. We have our property that we are using for our pre-tenancy. Select the Tenancies button, now right-click in the blank space or use the menu button in the bottom right corner and select pre-tenancy. You can use the screen to set up the pre-tenancy using the fields provided. In this example we have Kevin Hart as our tenant. The start date of our tenancy as the 28th of February, 2025. We are also deducting the holding deposit from the deposit amount. Finally, we have unticked the Receive Payment Now box. Doing this will allow us to send the payment link for our holding deposit. You should now have your pre-tenancy ready to go. Click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Acquaint may ask if you'd like to print the invoice now. We can skip this stage by pressing No. Acquaint will ask you the question, would you like to email the contact a payment link so they can pay online via credit card, debit card, open banking? Please click the Yes button to this message. You will now be taken to the email screen, which is pre-filled with merge fields for payment links. Feel free to alter this email via the General tab. Click the Preview tab to make sure you are happy with the information. If it all looks correct, click the Send button. You have now sent off the payment link to your tenant for the holding deposit. They will receive an email, and as soon as they pay this, you will get a notification on the homepage within the financial section of Payment Links Paid. Thanks for watching. Click here for more Splink videos or here for more Acquaint desktop videos.